Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm super excited to share with you this beautiful sleek straight bob style from Mimo Wigs. This is a Belletress wig. This color is amazing. It's fairly new. It's called Brown Sugar Sweet Cream and this wig is called Anatolia Heat Friendly. So this is heat friendly fibers. You can use your heat tools at a low setting, add some wave, add some curl, or keep it bone straight. Either way, it's such a fun, light, and very realistic looking wig. I think sleek is the most ideal term for this Anatolia. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Anatolia, yes. For this style, it's like so sleek. So straight. I mean, so straight. There's no bend or curve on this one, yet it is so fun, trendy. It's hip. I really like it. What do you guys think? And then paired with this beautiful new color, brown sugar and sweet cream, I think the combination is fantastic. Now with this color, you have a root. I would consider this like a medium brown root, as you can see here. And then a really wide mix of color, making it super dimensional and dynamic. I would say that there's like a medium brown base. It looks ashy to me. It doesn't look super duper warm. However, the blondes, I wouldn't say this is like platinum blonde, the highlights that you see here, but there could be, you know, a mixture of more of a goldeny warm blonde with a lighter, more ashy blonde. So, yeah, it's just a really beautiful mixture of blondes and browns in this color. I love a color in this range because it's a wonderful in-between shade. If you're blonde, then you can easily try something darker. And if you're a brunette, then add something like this to your wig wardrobe and try something a little lighter with those blonde highlights in there. It's what I consider like a blonde and a dark blonde or light brown shade. It's probably in the brown family. However, it's quite light with all those highlights in there. It is so pretty. Of course, I love a nice rooted shade. I feel like the root can, if done well, can really make the whole thing look a little bit more realistic. I mean, as we all know, it's really hard to maintain a solid color to the root 24 hours a day. You'd have to be going and getting your hair done constantly to keep up a beautiful salon fresh color. However, it's really popular to get like a smudge root, a shadow root, balayage, something where you do have that darker up at the roots and then, you know, blending into the rest of the shade. So not only is it trendy and beautiful, but it seems realistic. They consider this like a medium length style. It's shorter in the back and then, you know, longer in the front. In the front, you have hair that reaches past the shoulders, but in the back, it's like an A-line right a little bit below the nape of the neck. I'll show you guys a turnaround since I've already kind of done that. As you can see, that A-line cut with this, I really like it. And then even though this is A-line, then it graduates up into these like choppy, shorter layers up front, framing the face. I would definitely say this is like a choppy cut look as well with the layering. Yeah, this looks choppy to me. A choppy A-line. Mid-length A-line. It's really pretty. The density is so realistic. It's so realistic. It's not so light that you have weft showing or it looks stringy. It's a fantastic density where you know, have the hair you never had, or you have beautiful realistic looking hair, but it's not overly dense. It's right there in the middle, right in that realistic density area, if there is one of those. Anyway, this here wig features a lace middle part, which is obviously very, very trendy right now. I love a good middle part I'll part my hair on the left or right, but if you give me a really cute wig with a middle part, by all means. I mean, sure. It looks nice, and you have a lace front. I really like that they have the blonder hair right up at the front of that lace. I think it makes the whole thing more seamless and invisible, so good on them for that. And then you have that middle part. All right, let's take this off and show you the underside of the cap construction. On Anatolia, you have this lace front, and it extends into that middle part. Beyond that lace, you have closed wefting. It doesn't look like there's any permatease where that closed wefting is. I'm checking right here just to make sure. I mean, some people want to know for sure if there's any permatease at all. I don't see any, and I think that's what makes this wig look so like sleek and real in the density. Look at the layers, the choppiness. It's so cute. I think it really has a young vibe to it. When I put it on, my kids thought I looked like my younger sister, so I was like, hey, yeah, if that makes me look younger, why not? You can see the different lengths, the way it's choppy, and how it gets longer in the front with this A-line appearance. The remaining area of that cap construction is open wefted, as you know. That makes it nice and breathable, great air ventilation. Then you have your velvet ear tab. It looks like they have hair on the edge of that ear tab. That can just create a more realistic look right where that ear tab is. I really like that. And then they have just the teeniest little velvet nape right there with your adjusters. All right, let's put her back on. So because of that gorgeous lace front, you can pull it back. You can, you know, do some fun things with this here wig. You know, pull it away from the face because of that beautiful front hairline. But if not, just let that beauty part in the middle. I'm okay with side parts too. Maybe I'm too old. I don't know. So the sides on Anatolia are 9 by 13.5. The nape is short, like I mentioned. It's only 3.5 inches. As you can see here, a lot shorter in the back at the nape. Your back is 11 inches. The overall length on this really cute wig is 3.5 to 13.5 inches. The weight is nice and light at 3.9 ounces. This cap size is average, and it fits pretty dang average. I wear average in the majority of wig brands. However, I did just try Dolce & Dolce, which fit me like a glove, and this feels just slightly smaller. I would still consider this average, but Dolce & Dolce seemed more roomy. I would say these ends definitely look choppy and razored. If you were to go get that done at a salon, that's how it appears to me. Very razored on the ends and layered. I think that this wig appears very realistic. I think this cut is something that you would see on someone right now. It's very in. All in all, I think it's a really, really fun, cute, playful cut. What are your thoughts on Anatolia, and what are your thoughts on brown sugar and sweet cream? I would love to know, so comment below. You guys go follow Mimo Wigs over on her social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. I'm sure she has a Twitter. I don't know. Just follow them. I'll have some of those down below. Like I said, you can get a discount using the code Amber's Amigos. I'll have that reminder down below as well. I'll have the links to this wig and Mimo down below so you can go check that out. Any more, you know, nitty-gritty details on this piece. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Michelle at Mimo. She's fantastic. If you guys have questions, she can help you with that. And give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Please subscribe. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later.